Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decor Design Ideas. If you are looking for an inspiration then how to design a primary bedroom in a modern way, then you are at the right place. The primary bedroom is simply the largest and the most attractive bedroom in a house. To make primary bedroom look nice and presentable, I am going to tell you some key points that you should be keep in mind. In this video, you can see the decorating ideas of the main and the primary bedroom. Some key points are that if you use a wall paint, wallpaper the ceiling, and if you use an eye-catching headboards, and if you use nightstand with an eye-catching table lamps, it will double your decor to your home. According to the size of room, choose a bed framing, mirrors, lighting, headboards, or mattress and rugs. All these essential items will enhance the beauty of your bedroom. You may also use a nightstand lamp, clothing storage rack, clothing storage racks as well. Create a custom headboard. Add a wallpaper with a fresh coat of paints. Fresh coat of paints to your bedroom, it will enhance the double beauty of your bedroom. And if you're searching for a colored scheme for your bedroom, then here is a link in I button. You can visit that link as well. Hope you will enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like if you enjoyed. Press the bell icon so you will be updated on my upcoming videos. Stay connected with us and be the part of Home Decor Design Ideas.